Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share how I made an extra long shower curtain as well as how I decorated a few areas in some of my bathrooms as a reminder to my family to keep their hands washed. Okay guys, so I'm going to start out with two standard size shower curtain liners. These liners are made of fabric. They are water repellent, and what I like about these is that you can wash them. Okay, so this is the shower curtain that I showed in a previous video, and this is what I wanted to use in my master bathroom, but it is too dark. So because I'm not venturing out into the stores right now, I had to come up with plan B. So what I did was I found a curtain that I had that was more of the color gray that I wanted. So I guess I wanted a gray that had a little bit more silver. The curtain measures 96 inches long. And so after I sew the shower liner together, then I'm going to cut it down to match the size and the length of this curtain. Okay, so my curtain measures 96 inches, and so what I'm going to do with the shower liner is I'm going to cut each liner 49 inches long. And then when I join the two liners, leaving an inch in the middle for the seam, it should measure 96 inches long, the same size as the curtain. So what I'm going to do is take the bottom of one and I'm going to attach it to the top of the other one so that I make sure that I do keep this magnetic part on the bottom. Okay, so I have one liner laying across my cutting board, and I have the mark at 49, and I'm just going to use this line right here and cut across. And I do have the fabric folded in half so that I only have half of the width to cut. Okay, so that's one curtain, and as you can see, I cut from the top of one, and then on the second curtain I'm going to cut leaving the bottom. So when I join them, I will have a finished top and a finished bottom. Okay, so I have the top of one shower curtain, and then I have the bottom on the other, and so now I'm going to join them at the middle, and I will put the right sides together like this, and then I'll just sew all the way across. So when I sew them together, I should have the length that I need. Okay, so I took the top from one of the curtains and the bottom from the other, joined them at the middle, and voila, I have a extra long curtain. So that's the top, and this is the bottom. The reason it was important to do it this way is because the bottom of the curtain liner has a weight in it, and you need that weight to weigh down the liner inside of your shower. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it all together. Okay, so the length matched up very nicely. Now as far as the width, the shower curtain is definitely a lot wider than the regular window curtain. So what I'm going to do is just fold back the shower curtain on each side, and instead of cutting it, in case at a later date I want to come back with a full length shower curtain, I would like this to be intact. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it hung up. Okay guys, so this is how the shower curtain turned out. I think it turned out really nice. And I love the light color against my beige tile. And I just hung the curtains on some regular curtain hooks. And if you guys look to the left, you can see where I'm in the middle of painting. So the left-hand side is the old color, and up above the shower area is the new color, which is gray, which is the same gray that I use in my downstairs, which is Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore. And I just think it's the perfect shade of silver or light gray that really complements the beige wall tile. Now the wall tile, I've had it installed about 10 years ago, and it's not anything that I'm going to change anytime soon or ever. And what I'm doing right now is prepping my house for sale. I'm not selling in the near future, but I'm getting things ready and neutralizing my home, so when I do sell, I won't have a problem selling because the home will be neutral. I also wanted to remind you guys to keep your bathroom stocked with soap and some sort of paper towel or napkin so that our family members remember to wash their hands. Also, we want to keep hand sanitizer, Clorox wipes, or whatever you have to keep surfaces wiped down. And so I will share the complete bathroom in another video, but for now I want to share with you how the other shower curtain turned out that I didn't use in here, that I put in my son's bathroom. And so the gray is much better suited for his room. It's a little bit more masculine, and the darker color just fits well in his space. And I'm also keeping his bathroom stocked with soap, lotion, and paper towel. And he also has wipes and extra paper towel under his sink.